Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something really exciting to talk about. We're diving into the world of making money online and getting paid instantly. If you're looking to boost your income from the comfort of your home, you've come to the right place. Let's jump right in. Number 1, choose your online income stream. The first step in making money online is choosing the right income stream. There are various options like freelancing, online tutoring, affiliate marketing, selling digital products, and more. Identify your strengths and interests to find the perfect fit for you. Number 2, freelancing and gig economy. Freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are great places to offer your skills and services. Whether you're a writer, designer, programmer, or marketer, there's a demand for your expertise. Plus, many gigs offer quick payments upon completion. Number 3, online tutoring and courses. If you're knowledgeable about a particular subject, consider online tutoring or creating courses. Platforms like Teachable and Udemy allow you to monetize your expertise and earn a steady income. Some platforms even offer instant payouts. Number 4, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Platforms like Amazon Associates and ClickBank offer various products to promote. When someone buys through your link, you get paid instantly. Number 5, selling digital products. Got a knack for creating digital products like ebooks, stock photos, or printables? Websites like Gumroad and Etsy enable you to sell your creations directly to customers, and you can receive instant payments upon purchase. Number 6, online surveys and microtasks. If you're looking for quick and easy ways to earn a few bucks, online surveys and microtask platforms like Swagbucks and Amazon Mechanical Turk can provide instant rewards for completing small tasks. Number 7, payment platforms and considerations. When it comes to getting paid instantly, having the right payment platform is essential. PayPal, Payoneer, and Stripe are some popular options. Make sure to consider fees, security, and the availability in your country. 8 tips for success. Before we wrap up, let's talk about a few tips for success in the online money-making world. Stay consistent, deliver high-quality work, manage your time effectively, and invest in learning and improving your skills. And there you have it, folks. A rundown on how to make money online and get paid instantly. Remember, success might not come overnight, but with determination and effort, you can definitely achieve your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel,